Set time, set time, set time. Hey Vogue, it's Jasmine Sanders here, and I am about to create a nice cat eye. Alright guys, so I have finished all of my foundation and now we're gonna go in on eyes. With my eyeliner, I like to use one that has a very sharp point. And if you look, it literally is like a pen. And I will say this, I'm not the best at this, so I like to use my fingers. So my key to drawing a perfect cat eye is really just getting very, very close to your lash line. Keep it very thin, especially in the inner corners. The main thing you have to make sure you master is that flick. So for mine, I'm not gonna go too far out. I've winged it a little bit now. I'm just gonna perfect it and take it out just a touch. Honestly, if it gets to a point where it's very dramatic, maybe that's the look you're going for. One thing that helps me when just trying to find symmetry between the eyes is, one, a friend, and two, just keep your eyes back a little bit, lean and look back and see if that helps you. If not, girl, I'm sorry. Whew. Okay, so after 20 minutes, I am finally done with my eyeliner. No, but seriously, guys, if you ever wonder what's taking your ladies so long, this is it. Now that I calmed down, we can move on to mascara. And this one is a thicker one than I normally use. I normally like to use a very small one, that way you can be very particular, but I want to lather up. I really want to get in there. I'm gonna start at my lash line, wiggle it in like I always do, but make sure I really use a lot. I think we got those as crazy as we can get them. Since this is such a dramatic eye, I am going to add a lip to it. You guys know I love a nice red lip, so here goes nothing. I'm gonna use this first color just to do a nice lip liner, and then I'm gonna go in and fill everything in. I like to go for this color just because it is such a great pigment and it really stands out and it stops everybody in the room when you're trying to make that statement. Alright guys, so as bad as I want to wear this lip out, I'm gonna fill it in. When I finish, I do like to go in with a little bit of concealer and just tidy up anything that I feel is a bit out of place. My go-to tip: do not beat yourself up. I am the queen of messing up and I use my fingers, I use wipes, I use whatever I can, whether it's concealer to chisel and help it work, but just anything that you can to really achieve that eye. Just be patient with yourself, it takes time. All right guys, I think that is it. This is one of my favorite looks.